Hello Virgo, welcome to my channel. Let's see kung anong ganap sa'yo. Sensya na mahina ba boses ko? Let's see. Do we have for Virgos? Anong dapat malaman ni Virgo? Dapat malaman ni Virgo. Three of Pentacles. Knight of Pentacles. Dami. Hindi po pwede yan. Pero lumabas ang Five of Wands. The Sun card. Sana Virgo nakikita nyo? Bottom of the deck, you have Seven of Wands. So, tingnan natin kung ano ang meaning nito. Clarify each card. Three of Pentacles here. Virgo. Clarify the Three of Pentacles for my Virgo, please. The Star. The Hangman. Five of Wands. Virgo, sa nakikita ko dito with the Three of Pentacles, someone wants to collaborate with you, but someone is ihil ang sitwasyon, Virgo. There is someone is conflicted here. I don't know kung sino to para sa'yo, Virgo. I think it's in a workplace, friendship, family member, partner. I don't know, Virgo, but there is a fight over here, or someone is very conflicted in themselves, Virgo. But with the Star card and the Hangman is being here, someone wants to heal the situation. Okay, Virgo. But there is a delay over here. May delay dito. Okay, baka nag-iisip ko paano, or maybe it is destined to happen that merong delay. Basta merong delay dito, Virgo, regarding sa collaboration or team up or some sort. Okay, so but someone is conflicted. There is a fight. There is an argument over here, Virgo. Hindi ko alam kung sa workplace mo yan, friendship. Bahala ka na kung saang area mo yan ilalagay. Okay. Nasa yun na nakikita ko dito sa first row. There is a fight. Gustong makipag-team up. Gustong mag-apology dito with the Star card. Star card is a healing card. With the Hangman is being here, there is a delay. Virgo, someone is conflicted. If you have a fallout, kung meron kang fallout in your friendship or in your partnership or career, Virgo, workplace, Virgo, yun ang nakikita ko dito. There is a healing that is going to take place, but there is a delay. Okay, Virgo. The Knight of Pentacles is being here. There is an offer here, Virgo. Offer or apology. So, let's see. Clarify the Knight of Pentacles. The Temperance card. The Six of Wands, Virgo. Victory card. And the Tower card. There is an expected, Virgo, balance on the opportunity that coming towards you, Virgo. May gustong mag-apology dito or gustong mag-offer ng opportunity sa'yo, Virgo. There is a success over there. It's unexpected to, Virgo. Unexpected offer, unexpected apology. Okay? But at the end of the day, there is a victory, mission accomplished, or it's going to be in the public eye. It's gonna be public, Virgo, kung ano man yan, apology man yan, or offer, Virgo. It's very unexpected, Virgo. And with the Temperance card is being here, all about is smooth. Parang smooth lang ang magiging dating. Okay, smooth ang magiging dating ng opportunity sa'yo or ng apology. Okay, very smooth, Virgo. It's going to be public, actually. Okay, opportunity man yan or offer man yan or project man yan or kung ano man yan. Okay. Very smooth with the Temperance card. It's going to be public, Virgo, and it's very unexpected. Okay. Yung nakita ko dito, Sun card is the happiest card in the tarot deck, Virgo. Clarify the Sun card. Knight of Swords, Page of Wands, and the Nine of Wands. Virgo, for some of you, hindi ko alam kung clarify more. The Hierophant, okay. Virgo, there is a news over here. Merong gustong mag-communicate sa'yo, Virgo, out of happiness. Okay, pero ang Knight of Swords is hindi ko siya masyadong tinatrust kasi wala sa hulog. Fast communication para sa akin, okay. Pwede naman siyang para sa akin trustworthy din naman pag ang clarification is may Hierophant kasi. So, but you are guarded here, okay, with the Knight of Wands. Knight of Wands is a wounded warrior, okay, Virgo, very guarded, mataas ang boundary. Okay, someone here is spying on you. Gustong i-deliver yung message, Virgo. Gusto niyang pumasok, okay. Gusto niyang pumasok para i-deliver sa iyo ang news regarding sa contract or something, but you are very guarded here, Virgo. Yan ang nakikita ko. May gustong pumasok, Virgo, at i-deliver sa iyo ang news. Okay. May gustong makipag-usap sa iyo or makipag-communicate sa iyo, Virgo, regarding sa contract, I guess. Regarding sa partnership, I guess. Regarding sa kung saan pa man. And sometimes this can represent a teacher, Virgo. Okay. Yun lang nakikita ko dito, Virgo. May nag-i-spy sa'yo, or may naghahanap sa'yo, or may nag-submit ka before, tapos tinitingnan nila yung resume mo, okay, Virgo. So, someone na gustong makipag-communicate sa'yo, very fast communication lang, or short communication. Okay, but you are guarded here, Virgo. You are not sure. Clarify the Nine of Wands. Kasi meron tayong Seven of Wands at the bottom of the deck eh. So, you are very defensive on something. Okay, Virgo. Baka, I think, you already know this contract. Okay, I don't know, Virgo. Four of Cups, rejection. Hindi ko alam kung ikaw ang rejected, Virgo, or ikaw ang magre-reject. Okay, Virgo. Yun ang nakita ko. There is a communication that is going to take place. But first of all, there is a spying going on here sa una. Tapos, very guarded and rejection here, miss opportunity regarding sa, hindi ko alam kung ikaw ang nag-reject ng offer na to, Virgo, or someone rejected you. Okay, rejection is protection anyways, but hindi ko alam, Virgo, kung ikaw ang nag-reject ng offer na to. Yun ang nakikita ko. Bottom of the deck, overall energy with the King of Wands. Okay, Virgo, wala po tayong energy wala po tayong gender sa energy, so bahala na po kayo. King of Wands, there is a fire sign here. It doesn't have to be the sign, but merong isang tao dito na minaman-manan ka, Virgins, or maybe that is you. Okay. With the Lover's card, Virgo. I don't know kung sino yan para sa'yo. But there is an energy here that is watching you, Virgo. Watching you. Or gustong mag-decision regarding sa situation. Okay. Let's see what is the advice for a Virgo, please. You have take time to breathe out, Virgo. Baka suffocated ka na on some point. Kung nasan ka man ngayon. Nothing will come into this situation. And it's time to release negativity, Virgo. So, bahala ka, Virgo, kung saan ka lalabag dyan. Basta yan yung advice mo. Okay? Hindi ka alam kung saan ka makaka-resonate dyan. A new start is coming. Okay. So, tingnan natin kung anong angel message number mo, Virgo. 7. Meron kang Joker, Virgo, so be careful. Be aware, Virgo. Meron kang Joker in the air. Meron kang King of Hearts. Okay. 7. 777. Oh my God. 778. Google mo yan, Virgo Angel message number 778. Meron kang Joker dito on your air. There is a deceitful energy being here, Virgo. But there is a king that is passed away already. Maybe lolo mo, kalululuhan mo, or father mo or something. Basta King of Hearts is an older energy, masculine energy, okay? And there is a Joker right there. But you are protected, Virgo. Okay. So, andito yung ancestor mo or yung guides mo, okay, spirit guide. So, thank you, Virgo. That's all I have for you. Sana po ay nakaresonate kayo. Sa mga Virgo po na hindi makaka-resonate, better luck next time po. So, yeah. Thank you for being here, Virgo. Thank you for watching and bye for now.